Hi folks, welcome back to Cattail Acres, where we do our best to inspire everyday creativity and to help working creatives stay feeling creative and find a flow that makes creating enjoyable. I'm Deb, and today I will be reviewing the writerly classic, Stephen King's On Writing. Be sure to watch till the end so you'll get a heads up on what creativity or writing book I'll be reviewing in February. So to get started, I'll start off with what this book is not, since many people like me will simply snap up anything by Mr. King that looks like it might contain advice on writing from the master of the macabre himself. This isn't a book of instruction on writing. What bits of advice there are nestled within the broader narrative. So, in fact, this book says right up front that it is a memoir of the craft. What could be construed as misleading is that it says a memoir of the craft, whereas this book really just reads like an autobiography of sorts. So if what you want is a look at the man himself in his formative years and early career, then this book is really a great read. I would totally recommend it for someone looking to avoid some of the pitfalls that you experience as a writer. As long as you go into it with the understanding that it isn't a book on writing and have a solid interest in the author himself and his life and early career, that this is a fairly entertaining read. And it might give you a glimpse into the mind of America's golden boy of gore. So before I get into what I'll be reviewing for next month's installment of the Book Review Challenge, I'd like to take a moment and ask you to like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like to see more creativity content like this on the channel. That way you'll get the heads up whenever there's new stuff here at Cattail Acres. Also, coming up in February, I will be reviewing The Art of War for Writers by Steven Pressfield. And I'm going to be announcing what I'll be doing in March. As well as gearing up for a giveaway that only those who watch these book review challenge videos will be eligible to enter. Starting in March, I will put a code word in at the end of each video, and if you collect all 10 code words, you'll be entered into a drawing for the prize, which I will also announce in March. So I do hope that you'll join us back here on the last day of February for the review of The War of Art. Until then, folks, be safe, be well, and we'll see you.